It's no secret that 2021 was a good year for Elon Musk as well as Tesla. The company reached new milestones, becoming as valuable as the companies that have always dominated the top tech market. This includes companies like Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta. In fact, Elon Musk and Tesla, as a company, were not the only people smiling at the success of Tesla. The company's investors also popped bottles to the realization of Tesla hitting the $1 trillion mark. If you look at all the top companies in our era, they have gigafactories and huge head offices to mark their territory and place themselves on the maps as the global companies that they are today. Tesla being among the greats today has to do with more than just simply being one of the big boys. It's safe to say that Tesla's growth has not stopped, and Tesla is dominating the EV sector. The success of the brand was brought by the 4 current models produced by the company: the Model 3, Model S, Model Y, and Model X. There are more models that are being planned for release between late 2022 and early 2023. If you want to learn more about those, you can click on the link showing above the screen right now. This means that the company has not yet reached its full potential, and therefore has a lot more to offer its customers. This is good news for investors, as the growth pattern does not seem like it will be backing down anytime now. Especially with the news that there might be a Model 2 in production, which might be Tesla's cheapest car. With so many promises that Tesla has to fulfill for its customers, it needs gigafactories to help it make producing its cars much more simple. This in turn speeds up the production of its cars. These are not buildings meant for flexing. Well, you can kind of flex with them. I mean, how many companies are able to boast like this? Elon Musk has said that building the gigafactories is like building machines. However, the machines are built so they can build other machines. This will be a game changer, not just for the company and Elon Musk, but for the entire tech industry. But for many, it's still boggling how they will make this impact when we all know that companies need production houses to manufacture their good. Now here are the gigafactories meant for Tesla car productions. Number 1. Giga Nevada. This gigafactory is in Sparks, Nevada, and has been credited as the first of the many gigafactories being built by Tesla. It's big, covering about 1.9 million square feet. Complementing this is the fact that it is 71 feet tall, with about 5.3 million square feet of operation space. Still under construction, the factory is 30% on its way to completion. This is where battery packs for the Model 3 sedan are being produced, as well as other products meant to capture and store energy. It is basically an energy plant and might be the only self-sustaining energy plant in the world. Panasonic is a part of this project and has supplied some of its machines to help build this gigafactory. Using GPS, the solar panels are said to move accurately, getting the most energy out of the day. Musk believes that the production is more important than the product, and is set to employ more engineers to help make the process smooth. This view comes from the fact that in 2019, about 500,000 batteries were being thrown to the trash because of silly production mistakes which caused defects in the batteries. About 10,000 people are employed in this plant, and that's a huge deal in regards to creating employment. Since the main purpose of this plant is to produce batteries, the work will be a combination of human effort and automated robots. Number 2. Giga New York. Located in Buffalo, building this gigafactory started in 2014. It was owned by the state of New York, but was later leased to Solar City. This gigafactory's sole purpose is producing solar energy. This made things easy for Tesla, as they acquired Solar City and inherited the factory. This is not strange, since Musk has said that green energy was the future. It's quite clear that both Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk, are not interested in depleted sources of energy like coal, petroleum, and water. Being interested in the universe and nature as well, Musk only sees the sun as the most viable source of energy. You might wonder what makes Musk different when it comes to solar energy and the overall battery industry. There are many people and companies interested in creating and storing energy. What Musk has done differently is that after acquiring Solar City in 2016, he managed to find ways to make it cheap for people to buy energy sources. This in turn helped him not only produce Tesla cars, but allowed him to make them cheap as well. So according to Musk, not only is the future green, but it's also affordable. Because this New York factory also focuses on solar panels, Tesla also has been working with Panasonic on it. Although the work was initially driven by Solar City, who began producing photovoltaic cells, and they have been doing so independently, adding commercial solar panels on their list of productions. As with all other gigafactories, this plant has contributed to creating employment, employing over 15,000 workers. This cell production plant is worth $700 million. It still has a lot of room to grow. However, the value is still significant, certifying it as a Gigafactory. Number 3. Giga Shanghai. Located in Shanghai, the Giga Shanghai is Tesla's largest plant with 9.3 million square feet of space that is used for producing Tesla vehicles. It also has a height of 100 feet, more particularly the Model Y and the Model 3. Since the factory's establishment in 2018, it first started with the production of the Model 3 and later moved to producing the Model Y. This will certainly leave a huge footprint as this is partly its mission. The aim is to employ more Chinese engineers and over a period of time, start producing vehicles specifically for the Chinese market. It's a space built for unique innovation and might produce the cheapest Tesla car to ever exist, which would only cost $25,000. The components of the Model Y are made in the United States and then shipped to the Giga Shanghai factory. This becomes cheaper for Tesla, although there are more planned employees to work at the factory. Tesla plans to make this factory totally autonomous. This will in turn make the production process cheaper and faster. Currently, there are 2,000 employees, and the plant manages to produce over 700,000 vehicles per year. Another role played at this factory is the distribution of some of these vehicles to other parts of Asia as well as Australia. The Giga Shanghai is valued at 10.85 million yuan per 7,200 square feet. This means that the whole factory is worth around $2 billion. Now imagine how much it will cost once it's completed. Number 4. Giga Berlin. Located just outside Berlin in the municipality of Grunheide, Giga Berlin was built to produce high-volume Tesla cars. Although this factory was initially announced by Elon Musk in 2019, it was not built until 2021, so it's still pretty new. This is where the Model Y parts will be manufactured. The interest in electric cars has always been an extra desire for people already using gas engine cars. However, people are starting to totally migrate to electric cars. This means that the need for electric cars might increase drastically. This factory is meant to handle that demand. Asia seems to be the area of focus for Musk, and this is because its supplies of electric batteries. However, Europe also wanted their piece of factories for their markets. It, however, landed in Germany. The factory will have a positive impact on the economy of Germany. More specifically, this factory will produce batteries, powertrains, and battery packs. Most future car models that will be released in 2023 are set to be manufactured here, along with the Model Y. Employing over 8,000 workers, Tesla believes it can produce a car every 45 seconds. That's quite a claim, but again, anything is possible with Musk and his companies. Number 5. Giga Texas. Located in Austin, Texas, it is basically the head office for Tesla. This is among the Gigafactories, although it might be too soon to call it a Gigafactory for now. It is planned to be though, since Musk was to manufacture batteries and also assemble cars here. Its establishment began in the year 2020, and they also have a part to play in the manufacturing of the Model Y. It's about 10 million square feet large, and this allows it to employ over 1,000 people. This is where the Cybertruck and semi-truck will be produced. The factory is valued at $1 billion. This is despite it being in the early stages of its development. Now, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let us know in the comments section below your thoughts on Tesla's Gigafactories. You can also find more videos like this on our channel. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get notifications every time we release a new video.